welcome back to another video. It's your girl Faith Matini, and I know I haven't posted in a while, but the last few months have been kind of a crazy time. So I have been planning my move. I actually talked to you guys about the fact that I was going to be moving soon, and today is the day. So I got my keys today for the move. I'm super excited. I decided to stay in the same apartment building because I love this area. I've lived here for 3 years, so we are still in the same apartment building, but this is a 2-bedroom house. I actually wanted to get a bigger one, but they didn't really have any 3-bedroom houses or 3-bedroom apartments available for me to get. So I like this area though because it offers more space. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys. It's gonna be a short video, just walking you through the different areas of this apartment to show you our new apartment. Okay guys, so this is the main entrance of the new apartment, and we have Milo there showing us around. So once you get in from the entrance, then this is what you're greeted with. Milo's here. Okay, so going into this side, this is gonna be the boys' bathroom, but this is my washer and dryer. Milo, if I can open the door. So this is gonna be my new washer and dryer. Milo, are you gonna show us around? Oh, he's gonna start doing the laundry. Okay, Milo, we don't have to do any laundry just yet. Come on, baby. So that is the washer and dryer there, and then on this side you have the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. I feel like this kitchen is a lot smaller than my other one. Same thing as this one. You've got the fridge right here. And then my oven. And microwave. And then I think it's like, I feel like my cabinets are, I have the same amount of cabinets than I did on the other apartment. So yeah, there's that, and then this is where the dishwasher is, there are the cabinets. And then this is the pantry. The pantry here is really small. Like, it's tiny. That's how that looks like. But yeah, I'll make it work, I guess. And then this is something new. I think this is like a wine rack, which is pretty cool. I don't really drink wine as much as I used to, but yeah, I can definitely put my wine glasses here because I still have wine glasses, and we'll see about the wine. But and then it just comes with a little cabinet here where you can put serving items and whatnot. Milo is already in the cabinet. So yeah, this is how the kitchen is. And then I love this, that this island actually has like a pull-out or whatever you call it. All this, so we can sit over here for breakfast in the morning if we want. So I think that's pretty cool, I like that. Yeah, so that's the kitchen, and then this is the living room. So it's just an open area. I feel like it's a lot smaller, but I guess I'll just make it work. But yeah, the living room. That's where I'm gonna put my TV, and then this is where the couches are gonna go. I think I'm gonna have my office in this area here. It's a little dark right now, but in that area. But yeah, this is the living area, and then this apartment comes with a porch as well, so it's just outside there. Oh, be careful, baby. It's gonna be nice, but I have to secure the rails for the kids because I don't want them to get on top of that. But I just thought that's cool too. Baby, come on. Okay, so that's that, and then this is the first bedroom here. This is gonna be the kids' bedroom. So let me turn on the lights. But yeah, this is gonna be it for the kids, and their bedroom comes with a closet. This is how that looks like. Still a pretty big closet. Yeah. And then a bathroom. You like your new bathroom? And then, so yeah, so this comes with a bathroom and a tub, and Milo has been really trying to hide in the cabinets for some reason. Mister, why are you hiding? But this is the bathroom here, and then it actually also comes with a closet as well. Baby, you don't have to go into anything. I mean, this is actually even bigger than the pantry, honestly. But once you get out of the kids' bathroom, then you go back into the washer and dryer on this side, and then the kitchen and the entryway. And then on this side is where I have my room, which is slightly bigger, I think, but still, I feel like it's a little smaller than I thought it would be. But that is how that looks like. And then my bathroom is right here. Closet. I mean, everything is the same. It's just a bigger place. And then tub. And then this is my walk-in closet. I really like this. It's actually pretty big. So my walk-in closet, shoe rack, or handbag rack or whatnot. And this is another one. So it's a pretty big closet, but yeah, guys, that is the apartment. It's not, there wasn't really much here. I just wanted to share that with you. But yeah, I'm super excited. So we're gonna start moving things in. I was here to help me. And that is it for today's video, guys. If you did like it, be sure to leave me a like and a comment down below. You're probably gonna see me in this same outfit on another video because I am filming another video today. But I hope you like the new apartment. I'm excited about it. I mean, you don't have to like it, but I'm excited about this new apartment. I mean, it's, I don't know, it's just, it's more space. I need more space, okay? So that's definitely gonna be a different change. But yeah, you'll be seeing me on another video pretty soon here. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you on that video.